Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 11 permanently. And I will show you as quick as possible how to do this. Alright, first of all we go to Services, click on Services. And then from there we need to scroll down and let's see, we need to scroll down to the W and then we go to Windows Update right here, double click on it. And right now, if you can see it's standing on manual, please make sure that you click this on disable, then do apply and do OK. Then we click on it again, we go to this recovery, and then what we need to do is take no action and click here on take no action, and then we need to do apply and do OK. Right now, if you can see, it's still blue. So right now, if you click on this and we do refresh, you see that it's exactly the same as the others, but right now the automatically updates from Windows are disabled. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.